Do you want to say anything to the YouTube?
Yes.
What do you want to say?
Something.
Subscribe to Mosaic, right?
Subscribe to Mosaic. Leave a like and subscribe.
Welcome to Mosai's vlog, Mosai's vlog, Mosai's vlog. Welcome to Mosai's vlog. Hope you subscribe. The lighting is kind of atrocious here, but I thought I would just have a little sit down. Not sit down, I'm standing, but like a nice little chat, banter while I'm making my sandwich. We're gonna make a tuna sandwich today. I got this for like $1. That's probably better right there. And then whatever that's called. I honestly couldn't tell you. I'm pretty beat right now. We got this bread. It tastes so good compared to like normal like Wonder Bread or whatever. I'm trying to make these TikToks with a couple of people. One of them's like a fashion person, and then the other person does like the interviews. But like it's kind of hard to reach people. It really sucks because like I feel like we'd both benefit off of it. Like I get that I don't have that many followers right now, but I feel like they're super engaged. And I get a lot of views. So like, if anything, that triumphs like 500K sometimes. But I mean, it is what it is. I wanted to make a fashion or a jewelry line with this girl, and I hit her up. She lives in Miami though, so like it's like a little further away. So if she hits me back, that'd be fire. I'm just rinsing it out. This is squirting a lot right now. I have it all over my shirt. Texted her a video of my new place. Little does she know it's gonna be so filthy and dirty in here. It's crazy because we have so many dishes everywhere. The maids haven't come yet. I wouldn't charge her for like making a fashion line because she wants to do like sweats and like lingerie too, which I think is cool. Basically what Asylum Farm is, but it's more expensive, high end. And if you haven't bought any yet, you should do it. It's like 50% off like first customers, so that's fire. You get your little NFT with it too. Make some money on the side, wear a fire hoodie. I hate to say fire, but like wear like a nice luxury hoodie. What am I looking for? I haven't even been up for too long, but I'm exhausted for some reason. And I think it's because like we've been moving OD. Like a lot of movement's been going on today. And I've recorded some of it, but like, I don't know if it's gonna be in this video. Popping that champagne bottle. Oh, I feel like the lighting's terrible. Let me switch it up real quick. Yeah, that's definitely way better. I don't know why I didn't do it in the beginning. Move it all on this side. We got mayonnaise. I opened up the can of tuna. And the bread. Yeah, I'd love to use Muzzy's bread, but this is still hard as a rock. It's still here after days. I need a plate that's clean. It's so dirty in here. It's so bad. On a clean plate. We mixed up the tuna with the mayonnaise. Got some chipotle aloe, however you pronounce it, sauce. Okay, that's really not how I wanted to do it, but it's all right. A fork. I wonder if this kale is fresh or old. I don't know. Baby spinach. This can't be old. Does that look old to you guys? I can't even tell. I feel like it's fine. I'll just put like 2 pieces. And if I throw up, I throw up. It's also just grass. So how bad could it be? Put the tuna onto that in 3, 2, 1. There we go. It's right there. I'm definitely gonna eat this and then get back to you in a different vlog, I think. Let's just take a bite before we go. Not bad.